welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to share another Cleef Arpels unboxing video with you guys. I cannot express how excited I am right now because I have been waiting for this piece for almost a year. This has been out of stock in the region and obviously I couldn't travel due to COVID to get this elsewhere. At VCA Hong Kong, I was told that they won't take any deposits or orders for items that they don't currently have in the region. I guess at least for normal customers like myself. So I couldn't even pay to waitlist or to order them from France. But when I messaged my essay a week ago, she was able to take my deposit all in a sudden, and I later found out that the shop was actually expecting a new shipment a week later, and it happened that the item that I was looking for was available in that shipment. So then she was able to secure it for me before the shipment touched down. So I guess I was just lucky that I reached out at the right time. Oh, and I also heard that this was the only piece in the shipment. Okay, enough of my bellowing. Let's just unbox this together. We have the standard booklet, with the care advice in the middle and the authenticity certificate on the right pocket. You see two certificates in here, so you may be able to guess I'm unboxing more than one item this time. It wasn't planned, but definitely a pleasant surprise. Then we have a travel pouch. This one is a large size. I actually like the smaller size, but as usual, VCA seems to always run low on their travel pouches, so I'm still happy with a larger sized one. Then we have a cleaning cloth. And here is the VCA jewelry box that holds my new addition. Okay, here we go. My new Frivole mini collection. On the right is my Frivole earrings, mini size in yellow gold. Look at how cute and shiny it is. And this has been on the top of my wish list. On the left is my matching Frivole pendant, also in mini size, yellow gold. I actually did consider purchasing this pendant even before I had my eyes on the earrings a while ago, but I had decided to go for another necklace from another house back then, so I liked this pendant, but then I kind of let go of it. And until last year, I was looking for a new pair of earrings and I visited the VCA's Frivole collection and was captivated by its design. I guess when you truly like something, you will eventually come around and be attracted to it all over again. So at the end of the day, I truly appreciate the design and craftsmanship of this. Let's have a closer look. The floral pattern is made up of 3 heart-shaped petals with a diamond in the middle. Each heart-shaped petal is caved in the middle, like when you fold the heart shape in half in the middle line. So the petals are positioned in angles. The heart of the floral pattern is a tiny diamond around 0.05 carat, set with 3 prongs. It connects the 3 petals in a concave shape, creating a 3D floral pendant. It is a very pretty design because it's definitely more vivid than a 2D flat pattern. And I think the most important and interesting feature, which also enhances this piece to a totally different level, is the mirror polish. I found in my research that mirror polishing is a famous technique that VCA has been using since the 1920s. I think it is as literal as it can be. The gold piece is polished to create an intense reflection, just like a mirror. It is what makes this so shiny and vivid as I move it under the lights. And if you look even closer, you can see that the flower petals, each half of a petal is designed to be positioned at a very precise angle to create mirror images of the three prongs with the diamond. This creates an illusion of 9 filaments of a flower sticking out at different depths and angles. It looks so effortlessly natural and elegant, but you can see how thoughtful and amazingly clever the design is. This is also why I am mesmerized by this design, and I prefer the pure gold pieces to the diamond paved pieces in the Frivole collection. Obviously, you will lose this part of the design when the whole surface is paved with diamonds, and then all you could see is the shine of the diamonds. But of course, this is just a personal preference. I also want to show you guys another necklace that I consider to go with my earrings from the Frivole collection. This one is made up of 3 mini flowers. Each one is the same size as my earrings. For the single flower mirror polished pendant, the next size up from the mini will be the large. I'm petite in terms of size, so I found that the single large flower is too big for me. Plus, it is a big piece of shiny gold, which in my opinion is a totally different look. So I looked at this one instead, and it's still a lot of gold, but you can see the flowers are positioned in a very dynamic way. It looks like a bouquet. Also, the petals and each half of the petal are reflecting lights in different angles, which makes it very vivid and lively. It is indeed a beautiful piece. However, personally, I will only wear this when dressed up. On the other hand, the single mini flower pendant that I picked is much more versatile. It is cute, dainty, yet portraying the delicacy and elegance of the design as well as the skills of the craftsman. Traditionally, pure gold jewelry tends to fit more mature population, but this contemporary take makes gold looks young and lively. I think production has slowed in the past year due to COVID, plus the Frivole mini collection is relatively popular among VCA lovers. So I feel so lucky that my SA was able to secure these for me. I was told that the pendant was also the only piece in the shipment they received. The idea of luck is everywhere in the VCA collection, for example, the 4-leaf clover of the iconic Alhambra collection. So let me share this luck with you and show you the new Lucky Spring collection, which I also happened to run into when I was in the boutique. This new collection is released on March 19th, which I was told is the date that marks the beginning of spring. It is apparent that the Lucky Spring collection is very popular too because orders had already been placed for the items in the shipment and most pieces had already been reserved and sold even on the first day of official release. The only piece available in shop was this ladybug bracelet. The ladybug is made of carnelian and onyx precious stone with 18K rose gold. There is another ladybug version with an open wings, which I'm interested in, but obviously it's already out of stock, so I have to revisit some other time. In terms of bracelets, the Lucky Spring collection also has one with 5 motifs. For necklace, it only offers a long necklace with 15 motifs, but it includes all the motifs in this collection so far. The closed wings ladybug, the open wings ladybug, the tulip in white mother of pearl, sakura, or they call it the plum blossom in white mother of pearl, and the leaf in rose gold. There is a clip. As for the earrings, there is only the plum blossom in white mother of pearl. This is a rather long unboxing video, and I think I got too excited and gave so much details. So it is like intro review video of my new Frivole mini collection plus intro of the newly released Lucky Spring collection. But I hope you guys have enjoyed my detailed video. If you like my videos or my style of review, please like and subscribe to my channel. And you can also follow me on IG, Dear Lady M, to see some shots of the items and get sneak peeks of my upcoming videos. So I'll see you around.